Ready to turn your next Walmart run into an epic quest for legendary Riz? First things first, assemble your squad. You can't unleash maximum Riz potential alone. You need your wingmen and wingwomen to amplify the charm. Now, strategize. What's your mission? Is it to find the most obscure snack combination imaginable? Bonus points for pairing it with a hilariously mismatched beverage. Next, embrace the fashion chaos. Head to the clothing section and challenge each other to create the most outrageous outfit using only Walmart apparel. Think mismatched patterns, clashing colors, the works. Time to hit the fitness section, but not for a workout. Strike your most ridiculous power poses in front of the treadmills and weights. Remember, confidence is key to peak Riz. Channel your inner child in the toy aisle. Engage in a Nerf gun duel or build an imaginary fort out of cardboard boxes. Don't forget the dramatic sound effects. The prop game is crucial. Find the most absurd item you can. A rubber chicken, a giant inflatable banana, anything goes. Wield it with pride and use it to enhance your Riz game. Time to get intellectual, but still funny. Grab a product and make up the most outlandish use for it. The more creative, the better. Finally, document your adventure. Take tons of pictures and videos to capture all the hilarious moments. Share them with the world and spread the Walmart Riz. Now go forth and conquer your local Walmart. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ridiculous adventures.